morning and Jai Hind children. Welcome to maths class. Children, as you all know that we were doing lesson 8 shapes and pattern and this lesson is completely over now. Okay, so now we are going to start our lesson 9 measurement. So children, now I am going to show you the slides. First I will explain you through PPT and then after introducing the lesson to you, from next class we will start with a book exercises. So all of you listen to the PPT and watch the PPT carefully. Okay, so let's start today's class with lesson 9 measurement. So children, we are going to see our lesson 9 measurement. Okay, start our lesson 9 measurement. Lesson 9 measurement. Okay. This lesson is all about measurement. You all know what is measurement. किसी भी चीज को नापना is known as measurement. किसी भी चीज को measure करना is known as measurement. Now there are various units for measurement. Okay, there are various units of measurement. Converting units of length, of mass and volume. There are three things. One is length, one is mass and one is volume. In measurement we study about three things. Measurement of length, measurement of mass and measurement of volume. See children, what is measurement? Measurement is measuring length, weight and capacity using standard units. So whenever we measure length, we measure weight and we measure capacity, there are various standard units for measuring it. For measuring length, we make use of centimeter and meter. For measuring weight, we make use of gram and kg. For measuring capacity, we make use of milliliter and liter. Now see measurement of length. Measuring length. How we measure a length. Now you all have seen for measuring length. Length is measure of how long or wide something is. कोई भी चीज कितनी लंबी है या कितनी चौड़ी है, this measurement is done by the measuring of length. Rulers and tape measures can be used to measure length. Now children, you all have seen the scale. सबने स्केल देखी होगी, सबके पास स्केल है एंड देयर फॉर मेजरमेंट ऑफ लेंथ, कोई भी लेंथ मेजर करने के लिए हम किन चीजों का यूज करते हैं? रूलर्स एंड टेप. वी मेक यूज ऑफ रूलर, स्केल एंड इंच टेप्स, ओके, फॉर मेजरमेंट ऑफ लेंथ. नाउ यू ऑल हैव सीन टेलर्स, they make use of this measuring tape for measuring the length of the cloth. You all have seen the carpenters, they make use of this inchy tape for measuring the length of the furniture, wood. You all have seen masons, for they make use of this inchy tape for measuring the wall. So children, for measuring the length and breadth of any material, people make use of tape or ruler. This is the unit. These are the objects which are helpful in measurement of length. Now children, we have just studied the measurement of line segment. Okay. Now see these. If you all are having scale, सबके पास scale है. So children, you will see in one side there you will see inches. There you will find inches, and on other side of scale when you turn it, you will find it is centimeters. Okay, so on one side of ruler you will see inches and on one side of ruler you will see centimeters. Okay, now there are various units of length, but meter is the standard unit of length. Meter is the standard unit of length. Okay, now see how we read the units of length. Okay, so kilometer is the biggest unit of length and millimeter is the smallest unit of length. After kilometer comes hectometer, then decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. So meter is the standard unit of length. Then kilometer is the highest unit of length. Kilometer is used for measuring road. For measuring distances we use kilometer. Yes, we use meter and kilometer for measuring distances. For measuring clothes and for measuring other things we use centimeter and millimeter. Now see children, length measuring metric system. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeter. 1 decameter is equal to 10 meter. 1 hectometer is equal to 100 meters. And 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Children, whenever we move from this meter to decimeter to centimeter or millimeter, or whenever we move from millimeter to centimeter, we take it as 10 units. 1 millimeter, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 decimeter. Okay. So like this 10, it moves towards 10. Okay. See, 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeter. 1 decameter is equal to 10 meters. Now children, how we convert length unit? It is easiest to use a conversion lookup diagram like the one below. Whenever we move from biggest unit to smallest unit, we multiply with the numbers. And whenever we move from smallest unit to bigger unit, we divide. Okay. So whenever we move from bigger unit to smaller unit, we multiply. And from smaller unit, if we are converting to bigger unit, then we divide. Like 5 kilometer is equal to how many meters? Then we need to multiply 2000. Okay. If we want to know 120 centimeter is equal to how many meter? 120 centimeter, and we have to convert it to meter. That means we are coming from smaller unit to bigger unit. Then what we will do? We will divide. Okay. So again you will see, when we are converting from bigger unit to smaller unit, then we multiply. And when we are converting from bigger unit, from smaller unit to bigger unit, then we divide. Okay. Now see the various units of measurement of length. Units of length: millimeter, mm, centimeter, cm, meter, m, kilometer, km are units of length. Kilometer is the biggest unit, I have told you, and millimeter is the smallest unit. A scale, a meter rod and a measuring tape are used to measure different lengths. Okay. So for measuring different lengths, we make use of scale, meter rod, measuring tape are used to measure different lengths. Now comes the measurement of capacity. Now children, do you know what is capacity? When we have to measure any liquid or volume, okay, then that is capacity. See, what is the meaning of capacity? How much a container can hold. How much a container can hold. Now children, you all have seen that when we drink tea, it is a liquid and we drink it in the cup. We drink water, we drink it in the glass. We eat ice cream, it comes in a box. Then we drink milk, it comes in either a packed can or in a gallon. Okay, so these are the containers which can hold liquids. So capacity is measurement of liquid. See, in this picture you can see there are various liquids. In this jug there is water. In In this bucket there is water and this is a can. What is capacity? Capacity is a measure of how much a container can hold. We might measure the capacity of a bottle, cup or carton, anything which can hold something else. This carton holds 1 liter of milk. It has a capacity of 1 liter. Okay. So children, what is capacity? Capacity is measuring of how much a container can hold. एक किसी भी कंटेनर में, किसी भी डिब्बे में कितना सामान आ सकता है, that is known as capacity. We might measure the capacity of a bottle. हम किसी भी बॉटल की कैपेसिटी मेजर कर सकते हैं कि उसमें कितना लिक्विड आ सकता है. We can measure capacity of a cup. We can measure a capacity of a carton or anything that can hold something. और कोई भी सामान जिसमें हम कुछ भी सामान रख सकते हो, कोई भी कंटेनर जिसमें हम कोई भी सामान रख सकते हो. So capacity is what is capacity? Capacity is the measurement of how much a container can hold. किसी भी कंटेनर में कितनी चीज आ सकती है, that is known as capacity. Now measuring capacity. Now how we can measure the capacity? We can use different equipment to measure capacity. हम different equipments का use करते हैं capacity को measure करने के लिए. See children, this is measuring cylinders. Okay, for measuring cylinder you all are having cylinders at home. For measuring cylinders they are having this type of weight machine which is used for measuring cylinders. Then you can see measuring spoons also come. Many a times you all have bought medicines. In medicines when we take liquid syrup especially, so in some cases they provide us with this measuring spoons. Okay, and in home also you might have seen the small spoon with which you eat food. That has a capacity of 5 teaspoon. That is known as a teaspoon. Whereas a ladle is a spoon bigger than the normal spoon is a ladle. Okay. So a ladle has much more capacity and it is known as tablespoon. So a smaller spoon with which we make use for daily use, that is known as teaspoon, and the bigger spoon is known as tablespoon. So every spoon, there are various spoons which are used for measuring different capacity. Here you can see this is the smaller spoon, then the bigger spoon, more bigger spoon and much bigger spoon. Now see, this is a measuring jug. In this you will find that there units are written. Okay, units are mentioned with the help of which we can measure. You have seen beakers. सबने beakers देखे होंगे. Beakers में भी units लिखी होती है, mention हुई होती है. Now see, estimating capacity. When you are estimating capacity, it is useful to think of containers you are familiar with and how much they can contain. Okay, like a glass of water. Do you know a glass of water can hold 250 ml of milk or water. Okay. Now, what are the various units of capacity? Milliliter is ml, liter is L, and kiloliter is KL. Are the various units which are used in capacity. Kiloliter is the biggest unit. Milliliter is the smallest unit. Now children, kiloliter means 1 kilo. Kiloliter is measurement like whenever we measure oil. Suppose a packet of oil comes in your home. If it is 1 liter, then it is 1 kiloliter. Okay, 1 kiloliter is written. And when you take medicines, we have to take it in a smaller quantity. So that is measured in milliliter. We don't drink medicines in kiloliter. Yes, we take it in milliliter because we have to take the smaller quantity. So when we talk about the smaller quantity of liquid capacity, then ml is the smallest unit of capacity and kiloliter is the biggest unit of capacity. Okay, so if we have to measure a tablespoon, एक spoon के बराबर कितना होगा? Then that is milliliter. But if we have to measure a bucket, then it is kiloliter. Okay, if we have to measure a glass, glass में कितना liquid आएगा? It is 250 ml. बट एक जग में कितना पानी आएगा, कितना दूध आएगा, कितना मिल्क आएगा, कितना वाटर आएगा? It will measure in liter. Okay, so when 1000 ml is equal to 1 liter. Now see relationship between various units. 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. 1 किलोलीटर में कितने 1 किलोलीटर में कितने लीटर्स होते हैं? 1000 लीटर्स होते हैं. 1 लीटर में 1000 मिलीलीटर्स होते हैं. हाफ लीटर्स इज इक्वल टू 500 ml. Now you all purchase a coconut oil. Okay, it comes in a if it comes in a small you can see container, then it can hold 250 ml. उससे हम बड़ा लेंगे, then it will be 500 ml. Jam bottle you might have seen, jam की bottle आती है. So the smaller jam bottle is of 250 ml and much bigger jam bottle is of 500 ml. Then you all have seen the tetra packs आते हैं juices के. So a smaller tetra pack will hold 250 ml. उसमें कम आएगा, so it will hold 250 ml. उससे बड़ा टेट्रा पैक हम खरीदेंगे जूस का, इट विल कंटेन 500 ml एंड उससे बड़ा लेंगे देन इट विल कंटेन 1 लीटर और 1000 ml. तो 1000 ml मिला के कितना लीटर बनता है? 1 लीटर. 3 quarter liter is 750 ml. Children, when we have to solve the question, you should remember all these units. Like you have to remember कि half liter is equal to 500 ml, 1/4 is equal to 250 and 3/4 is equal to 750. 1000 का half कितना हो जाएगा? 500. 1000 का 1/4 कितना होता है? 250 and 1000 का 3/4 कितना होगा? 750 ml. Now see, this is the example of a water. Okay, water bottles. Now children, see, this is a water bottle. It is bigger, so it can hold how much of water? 10 liters of water. Now comes the next water bottle. Now it is smaller than this water bottle. Yes, this bottle is smaller than this water bottle, so it can hold only 5 liters of water. And this water bottle is slightly smaller than this bottle, so it can hold 4 liters of water. So children, like this, the water or capacity we can measure in the container that can hold the liquid. Now comes measuring weight and mass. In this, we are going to study about measuring weight and mass. Okay, now we are talking about measurement of weight. किसी भी वजन को हम कैसे नापेंगे? You all have seen जहाँ पे sacks होते हैं और where heavy things have to be measured. Like you can see wheat, okay, wheat, rice, pulses. So when we have to measure cereals, we have to measure lot of vegetables. Then we make use of this type of measuring machine. And when we have to measure smaller goods, like when we go for purchasing our daily requirement things, then we make use of this type of weight machine. Now children, many of you have seen green grocer. सबके घर में सब्जी वाले आते हैं. Now you all can see that they are having that balance, or you can say तराजू सबके पास होता है. Now that is used for measuring weight. क्योंकि vegetables में क्या होता है? Weight होता है. लिक्विड को मेजर करने के लिए कैपेसिटी का यूज होता है, वेट को मेजर करने के लिए मास. मेजरिंग वेट इज नोन एज मेजरिंग मास. ओके, एंड एक होता है मेजरमेंट ऑफ लेंथ. लेंथ हाउ वी मेजर? थ्रू द स्केल और इंच टेप. ओके, now see what is mass measurement. The mass of an object is the quantity of material it contains. Okay, so mass is weight. किसी भी चीज का weight नापना. You take yourself. Now for taking your weight, हम अपना weight लेने के लिए what we make use of? We make use of weight machine. हम weight machine के ऊपर खड़े होते हैं ना for measuring our weight. तो weight किसी भी चीज का वजन, किसी भी चीज का भार, that is done through weight machine and that is known as weight. Okay, so there are different units for measuring weight, for measuring capacity and for measuring length. So see children, the mass of an object is the quantity of material it contains. Object उस सामान में कितना चीज आ सकता है, that is known as mass. A balance is used to measure mass. Now I told you ना, तराजू you all have seen, that is mass. Now milkman आते होंगे आप सबके घर में. Now milkman they are having containers, कुछ बड़े होते हैं कंटेनर, और एक ही कंटेनर से they measure milk. So that is known as measuring of capacity. The metric unit for mass is the gram. Or you can say G. The standard unit of measuring mass or weight is gram. The standard unit of measuring length is meter, and standard unit of measuring capacity is kiloliter. Now see milligram or mg, gram, g and kilogram, kg are units of mass. Kilogram is the biggest unit and milligram is the smallest unit. Okay, so these are the various units which are used for measuring mass. किसी भी चीज के weight को measure करने के लिए हम कौन सा unit use करते हैं? मिलीग्राम, ग्राम और किलोग्राम. And जिसमें किलोग्राम सबसे बड़ी unit है and मिलीग्राम सबसे smallest unit है. Okay, so children, today we have learnt about the various units that are used for measuring various things. If we have to measure weight, then we make use of standards like kilogram, kg, gram or milligram. If we have to measure capacity or you can say liquid, then we make use of kiloliter, liter or milliliter. If we have to measure length, then we make use of meter, centimeter and kilometer. Where kilometer is used for kilometer and meter is used for measuring distance. Roads, okay, distance कितना cover हुआ, for that kilometer is used, meter is used. For measuring length, centimeter and meter is used. Okay. So children, we have read about all the things which are related to measurement. Okay, so I hope you all have understood today's topic. We will meet again in our next class. Till then, goodbye and take care everyone.